What's popping, YouTube? It's your boy Complex, and we're back at it again with yet another review. Man, I got back-to-back reviews. I got some retro 10s that I'm about to review that I just got. I got some off-white, not name branded shoes, but you know, they do have off-white on them, so we're gonna be reviewing that in the next couple of days or so. But I just want to kind of get this next review out. It's the Shop GLD Gold Lakers pendant review with the, I think it's a 24-inch Cuban link chain. And you know, why not? Let's get it popping. Let's show you guys what the product's about. Let me know what you guys think in the comments below after the video. Like and subscribe to the channel, and let's get it popping. So without further ado, I got the Shop GLD Laker pendant inside here. I'm gonna go over everything. It usually comes in this box. This time shipping took about a week for it to come through with the holidays. I didn't pay for express shipping, kind of let it go on its own. And yeah, let's show you guys what's up. So let me get my fucking Rambo blade and open this thing up for you guys. And I'm gonna show you guys everything. So this right here is the authenticity card. Comes with the GLD stamp. And it's the same thing, man. You have any wear and tear on this specific piece, you can go ahead and send it back to GLD and they'll repair the item or replace the same item of same value. So go ahead and keep that. Make sure you guys don't lose that because that's money for sure. Same thing, Shop GLD sticker. Let me know if you guys want these. I mean, I have about like 3 or 4 of them so far. So if you guys want them, message me on Instagram and I can go ahead and send them out your way. Just like I said, hit me up, man. I don't use them. Here is the box, and it comes in the paper with the GLD logo and the pickaxe. And that's it. So let's get this shit out of here. Let's open it. I've been waiting to review this for a while now, man. So here's the gift card. I believe it's a $25 gift card. You guys can't see it, but anyway, it's a $25 gift card. Also, message me below if you guys want these. I'm willing to give them out to you guys. But you have to follow me on Instagram, like and subscribe to my channel. Once you do so, hit me with a DM and I will give these out. No bullshit. The GLD pouch, and it also has the GLD emblem. You can barely see it. The light that I have right here is kind of bright, but that's what it is right there. So I do, like I said, have the pendant and I have the chain. This is a chain. And the pendant is what I've been really wanting to get, man. And this is balling on a budget. Like I said before in my previous videos, you don't gotta have a lot of money to have pendants. You don't have to floss on people. As long as you're not saying that this shit's real, you're good. I mean, I have nobody to impress. I don't care what other people think. But, oh my goodness, look at that. But let me adjust it for you guys. And maybe, you see that? Woo! That is lit. That is fire. Man, the quality of the piece is pretty amazing. I like the piece, and again, the detail is there. The back is solid. Don't know if you can see that. Pretty solid with the GLD emblem, but it just glistens and that shit shines. So again, like I said, if you're on a budget, they have affordable pieces. If you want to ball out, then they have expensive pieces for their website. But I don't make that kind of money. Maybe one day I will. and I can be buying those pieces in the future. But until then, I'm gonna work within my budget. I think you guys should do the same thing. Don't care what other people think, just do you. This is the chain, and again, I know the lighting's not that well, but we're gonna attach these two. And let me know what you guys think about the pendant for sure. Like, is it something that you guys will rock if you're a Lakers fan, or is it just something that you would rock in general? Because that's fire. All you Warrior fans, y'all suck. But that's fire though, look at that. So, let's put it together. Now, on the front right there, you see it? The diamonds up here? Well, CZs. I'm gonna say CZs because I don't want to say diamonds and y'all get all butthurt. All you haters. But it's pretty legit, man. And yeah, it's a perfect size. But I mean, it's beautiful. It's a beautiful piece. Again, if you're on a budget, this is something that you would want to work into your budget. It's gorgeous though. So again, let me know what you guys think in the comments below. Like and subscribe to the channel for more content. I'm thinking about doing a couple more pieces, but I do have another piece from another website that's on its way. I don't know when it's gonna get here, but when it does, I'll be comparing the two chokers. This choker from Shop GLD and the choker that I purchased on this other website. But again, smash that like and subscribe button. Message me on Instagram. Let me know what you guys think in the comments below, and I'm out.